Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you something I got from McDonald's. It's in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! What is this? A Happy Meal. You can see that this is Happy Meal. Look at that. You can download this. Create a masterpiece. It said create a masterpiece. Let's open it. Oopsies. Oh my god. Well, let's make this. And do you guys like my hair? Like my god. I got it short because I love short hair. I'm gonna make the mess up there. Flip to ASMR. Ito guys yung makukuha na. Makakakuha natin. Gusto ko to. This one. Okay, sorry because it's like dark and I get a flashlight. Oh, kachungo. This is my iPhone by the way. I'm using my tablet to make pictures. Look, it's Junko. Hello. and this is the card. And look, he's doing something weird. That's all for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.